Marking them with the guide. Okay. There's the first board going up. Hello everybody, today we are putting our ledger board on this brick house. A lot of people don't know that it is against code to attach a ledger board to a house by any other method besides these BVLZ brackets or building the house or building the deck freestanding against the house, which I believe that you're doing a disservice to your customers by having a bunch of footers up against the house. You hit drain tile, you have HVAC units in the way, and it just kind of looks a little bit tackier. So we like to use these BVLZ brackets. So to install these BVLZ brackets, you have to which it comes with these to help you out. Then you pre-drill the ledger board. And then you hold it up there and you mark, and then you pre-drill through the brick, like the guys are doing now. And what this does, you'll put this through the hole. And then this gets screwed to the ledger board, and this little thing puts tension to the band of the house. So it almost sandwiches the ledger to the brick, and it also keeps the tension from cracking the brick, because the brick is not structural, it's just veneer. Then you have these 14 or 16-inch lags that go up through here, and they'll go through the brick, through the ledger, through the brick, through the airspace, into the band of the house. You can see here, and they stick out pretty far, and they'll go through the ledger, through the brick, then there's an airspace behind the brick, and then the framing of the house. When it's all said and done, that's how it is. And like I said, this tension tie sandwiches this ledger to the brick, and the end of it is hitting the band of the house. It's kicking tension back out this way, so that when we draw those lags in, it's not pulling the brick and cracking the brick. And that's how you put the ledger board